5. So the given is, we have 1/2 x minus 7 is less than 13. So to solve and to graph the given linear inequality in one variable, so we need to apply 5 steps. Again, what is step 1? Okay, simplify both sides. Here, 1/2 x minus 7 is less than 13. Now, since meron tayo anak given na fraction, tama? So what we're going to do is we need to convert first fraction to whole number. So gagawin natin siyang whole number. Paano pong gagawin? First, identify natin ano yung denominators. 2. So meaning, i-multiply both sides natin yung linear inequality by the denominator, which is positive 2. So i-multiply natin para maging whole number to. So what are the two operations? So we have times and divide. Okay, 2 times 1. 2 divided by 2. 1 or just simply x na lang po yan. So kung ano yung ginawa natin sa first term, ganun din yung gagawin sa second term and then sa third term. Okay, 2 times 7. 14, then capital operation, then capital inequality symbol, then 13 times 2, 26. Then after that, step number 1 na tayo. Again, what is step 1? Simplify both sides. Okay, first, what is the value of b? 14, negative 14. So to eliminate negative 14, we need to find the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of negative 14? So positive 14 meaning add both sides by 14. Or anong ginawa sa left, ganun din gagawin sa right side para ma-eliminate natin to. Then ano na lang po natira sa left side? X. Then capital inequality. Then 26 plus 14. Okay, 40. So therefore, this is the solution set for the given linear inequality in one variable. Now, after getting the solution set, step number 5 na tayo. We need to graph. How to graph? Using a number line. Okay, we need to draw a number line. And then take note na, sa number line, hindi natin kailangan mag-start sa 0. Okay, ito ay nakadepende dun sa nakuha nating number. Ano po bang number yung nakuha natin? So, pwedeng start na tayo dito sa 40. Kasi ang number line ay may arrow sa magkabilang dulo, tama? Meaning infinite yan. Lahat ng number ay sakop niya. So, since 40 nakuha natin, hindi na tayo mag-start sa 0. 40 na agad yung gawin nating middle. And then, mag-add na lang tayo ng 3 numbers sa right side at 3 number din sa left side. O, ano-ano yung mga numbers sa right side ng 40? 41, 42, 43. Sa left side naman po, 39 and 37. Then, after that, we need to identify na the dot. Based on the given inequality, the inequality symbol is less than. Therefore, the graph the dot is open or close? Open. Meaning, 40 is included or not? Very good. 40 is not included to the solution set. And then, where is the direction of the graph? Right or left? Left. Bakit left? Kasi po, ang turo ng inequality symbol ay pa-left. Okay, take note anak ha. Pag ginrap natin yung ating solution set, okay, kung ito yung number line, papatungan mo po siya. Sa mismong number line ka rin mag-line. And then don't forget to write arrow. Meaning, ang mga possible values of x, start tayo ng 39, pababa. Kasi si 40 is not included. So, this is the solution set of the given linear inequality, and this is the graph.